Do a quick little frame walk around. When I had the motor out originally, I pressure washed all this and put some self-etching primer on it. Didn't really work all that great, but whatever. I was just trying to slow it down some. The only part that I hadn't pressure washed yet is, you know, obviously from where you see the paint stop, all of this where you got all this grime and stuff, to about right here where the cab stopped. So just hit everything again, go eat, grab some Rust Restore. We're gonna spray some of this on there. It's supposed to be able to just spray it on there and it does its thing, and then I ain't gotta do no extra work. I like it when I ain't gotta do no extra work. I'll put it in a spray bottle. So we're gonna see how this goes. And hopefully it pulls that front end down some. Otherwise, I gotta take these spacers out the rear end, because I can't be driving around here looking like an idiot with a squatted truck. And if you know someone who's got a squatted truck, there needs to be an AA group for these people, because something's wrong upstairs with them. I don't know how to fix this problem, but somebody out there's got to, because they need some help, and we gotta get them some help. All right, ran over, I promise. Let's get this motor back in here. Well, I had to get a new pulley. I tried to rock with this, the one that was in the S10, but I couldn't make it work. Now, the only difference between the one that was in the S10 and this Corvette style one is this right here. That's it. Only difference. This has got a little bend. Now, I put this sucker, the S10 one, in a vise and tried to bend that. Yep, nope, that didn't work. That didn't work at all. So I ponied up and bought it, because the way it mounts in here, I need that bend. It's just, when it's straight, it's not even enough room to get the hose onto it. So here we are. Let's put this thing in. So this is what I got. I got the new fuel pump in. Power steering pump in. It's good to go. Obviously, I haven't put the pulley back on it. I'm actually gonna wait until I get the body back on it, which is what I'm gonna try to do next. But I kind of need to catch y'all up on some things first. Now, this is the original high pressure power steering hose that was on the S10 that has this switch, which obviously I have everything loose right now. Till I get the body back on it and I can see where that wheel well is going to be at, to see if I need to try to bend any of this more than I already have. And I have bent the living daylights out of everything. But I think it's going to be fine. I don't think anything's going to leak. And I haven't kinked anything real severe. We're going to find out. Now, I ordered the Corvette style reservoir because the one that came on the Pontiac, I couldn't make work. No matter how I tried, I couldn't get it done, and I was gonna have to cut the brace, and it was all dirty. So I just ordered a new one. It was like 50 bucks to get a Corvette style reservoir and the mount and the hose that goes down here to it. So I'm kind of thinking I come out a little bit better. We'll see how that works. God, I hope it works. Man, this has been a real concern of mine, how I was going to do that. All right. I know this is not how we left the frame last time you seen it. I might have got a little carried away. In the words of our faithful leader, you know, I did a little Craigslist rebuild on it with some self-etching primer. I pressure washed it again to get all that white chalky stuff and everything off from the rust converter, and then I just spray self-etching priming, and I like it. It looks totally different.